Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to write your first tweet in Mastodon. So open up the Mastodon app on your iPhone or Android. So you'll be here on this screen. You can actually directly click on the pencil icon that you see at the bottom right corner, and it will give you an option to write. Okay. Now there are a few more options at the bottom. You can see the picture option is there. Then there is this poll option is there. Okay. Then there are smileys and all that, right? So you can see different kind of smileys are there. Even the Twitter blue tick, you can see it is right also there. Then next option is there, content warning upper at the top. You can actually use the content warning thing. Then what is this one? To the public or to the followers only, or mention only one pension I only people I mention. Okay, so these are all the three settings that you can use while posting. Okay, so I am going to, okay, I'm turning off these things, right? Okay, now because this is my first tweet here, I will be writing hello. You can write anything you want. Okay, so once I do this, I can also use the smileys here, Ricky too. Okay, now click on publish at the top right corner, and now you can see I just tweeted the first one. Okay, so this is how you can uh, tweet the first tweet on the Mastodon. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.